But you initially were a wrestler back in school. What did that and sort of powerlifting 4 times your body weight, etc., what did that tell you about health, competing, and what we're capable as human beings? Because I don't think a lot of people really believe they can change. They see others doing it, but they don't think they can physically do it. What would you say to people in that kind of they're struggling off the couch because they don't believe they can really change?
Man, I think this is one of the most common reasons that people struggle is they truly don't believe they can change. They don't believe that it's going to work, right? And there's actually there are layers to this and reasons why. I think there are some people who truly believe it's never going to work. And I think there are other people who believe that it will work, but only if they are perfect and if they are unbelievably restrictive. And I think because people think they need to be perfect and they need to be unbelievably restrictive, because of that, they don't think that it can work. They don't think they're ever going to succeed because they have this misconception of what is needed in order to succeed. So for me, a huge part of what I do is trying to break down and help people understand you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be 100% consistent. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need to work out 7 days a week. It's actually a much more doable and reasonable approach to fitness that is going to lead you to success. In fact, there research showing that people who are overly restrictive and overly rigid with their training and nutrition, the research on them is that they are significantly less likely to succeed long-term. And that's a no-brainer because it's unsustainable. The most successful people in the world in terms of their health and fitness are far more flexible with their approach. It's not as restrictive. It's not as demanding. It's far more fitting it into your life rather than fitting your life into it.